Alright, gonna try vlogging with the GoPro. Don't really know how this is gonna work, but yeah, we'll see. Alright, quick little update on today. It was kind of a cool morning considering I landed a good deal with a bigger company. This is probably the biggest, most expensive job, I guess, if you want to call it that I have so far. And then the usual 9 to 5, I went and got to drive a V10 SRT Viper, a manual at that. I didn't take it out of first gear, but technically I still drove one. So yeah, pretty good morning so far. And I don't really know where else this vlog is taking. We're kind of just, I don't know, seeing how it goes with the good old GoPro. Oh, I've shot cars at that house before. ADD. Anyway, that's it. So long.
Wow, look at you. Fucking Casey Neistat over here.
It's the vlog setup.
Whoa, that's super conspicuous too.
Right?
It's like a perfect size setup.
This is cheap because it's not freaking wireless.
You don't see it.
It was like $10. This can like.
They got all the accessories, all of which is older or no?
Oh, might need a longer one.
Getting extended.
But then this is kind of cool. Ready? Fucking do this little John. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Pop up with it. Whoa.
That's.
Dude, that's actually really sick. That's
Right?
pretty sick. How much
And
is that
then-
on a tripod?
Dude, like I think it was like $30. Elonzi, dude. The same thing with the lav mics. I mean, it's not the worst.
No.
Obviously, it's
You
cheap,
get like a year or two out of it. It's fucking great.
but this is pretty well built. Like, I mean,
Especially with GoPro.
Dude, even-
You can put anything else on it.
well, it's only made for GoPro. It only has the GoPro mount. Dude, you could literally take this off and then do like a whole wrong one. Stationary. Like, blah 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 blah.
That's a sick little setup.
Right?
Sick little rig. Sick rig, dog.
Oh, did it stop?
Vlogging.
And then. All right. Little midday update here. It is very foggy out. I don't know. Yeah, you can kind of tell. Not foggy, smoky because of the wildfires in Canada. So that's cool. But yeah, just shot a little reel for Instagram. I'll put that in right now. And we're moving on our day and we're getting used to the vlog setup. Au revoir.
Took the restrictor plate off, give the Red Dragon a little more juice. But let's keep that on the down low. It's not exactly street legal.
I think there's a dumpster squirrel. Not sticking around to find out. Alright, this is also just another test. Turn down the ISO, so maybe better image quality, but also worse lighting. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I just did a whole monologue in Time Warp, so that's gonna get some getting used to, making sure I have the right setting on. Yeah, rest of the day, I just went to Saratoga Druthers, pick up tips. Then I went to Clifton Park Druthers to go to the food truck, also pick up tips. And I also shot some patio photos for the new client, which is Druthers. I don't think I said that before. Anyway, Yeah, then I kind of just bummed out after that for the rest of the day. I'm editing some photos right now. It's about 10 o'clock. And so far, the GoPro seems pretty good. The media mod is definitely a game changer. The microphone adapter is definitely a game changer. And I think it'll be a good little vlog camera. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to keep these up. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them. It's kind of just for practice, and documenting some things. And yeah, that's that. Later. Here are the photos from Druthers. I forgot. I originally said I was gonna put those in on the time lapse mistake, but here they are now.